Welcome to GenTech, your general technology channel. Today we are going to make the third hand, the tool that helps in soldering. It holds the printed circuit board while you solder components on it. But what we are going to make is a homemade third hand tool. I made mine from wood as the base for the stand.
These clips that I got is mainly used in China for holding a mosquito coil. This is how it is actually used. I just got an idea to use this since this would cost less than if you were to buy a real third-hand tool online. Compared to what you'd spend on name-brand third-hand tool, what we're making would be considered dirt cheap.
I got these other materials from around my house. This is the base. It is a 1-inch thick plyboard. It measures 6 1/4 inches by 6 inches.
Notice that I made a divot in the middle to receive this smaller wood, which, by the way, measures 1/2 by 1 by 5 inches. This will serve as our anchor to the base.
This metal sheet is from an old, faulty computer keyboard, and it measures 3 inches by 3 inches, which I just cut to make it look like an octagon, which I think would make it easier to move the clips to sort of make it versatile. Next, we have these 2 pieces of screws.
I just had these screws lying around, and I figured that we can use it to hold everything together. First, we screw the metal to the small piece of wood. Then we screw the base to the small piece of wood. After that, we clip the PCB holder onto the metal. I noticed that the clip has a poor grip on the metal sheet. So I decided to cut 3 pieces of rubber and I slid it in the middle. So the clip would have a tighter hold on the metal and prevent it from slipping. There you have it. We just made a third hand tool which would come in handy for our future projects. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next project.